Hi, if you're watching this video, it's because your student is enrolled in Freshman Composition 101 or English 11, where they're auditing the class for their English 11 credit. So my name is Christine McCartney, and I'm the teacher of this class. It's my fourth year teaching the class, but I have had 14 years as an English teacher in the Newburgh and Large City School District. Just a few things about me. I live in Newburgh. I teach English, but I'm also a writer. I've been published in a couple different places. I also run a nonprofit that helps students travel abroad to do some volunteer work. So my email is cmccartney@necsd.net, and I really hope that you will be in touch if you feel that your student needs some extra support and you'd like to be in communication with me to do so. Just a little bit about this course. It is a composition course, so it's a writing-based course, and we do write a lot of papers. So these are the papers that we're just going to write between now and January. It's a half-year course, and then the second half of the year they take Freshman Composition 102. But they have already written their literacy narratives and their summary and response essays. And the midterm and the final are actually just 2-day exams that they take while they're in their during class time. So there's about 3 papers left between now and January, although that research paper is pretty intense. So again, any support that I can get from home, or if you need me to be in touch with you so that you can better support your student, please reach out at any time. Grading is by the rubrics that are from OX, so there's no participation or classwork grades for the college class. Everything is based on the 7 papers and the rubrics that are used to grade them. If students are taking the course for English 11, it's an awesome opportunity for them to be exposed to these rubrics and sort of get an idea of what the papers are going to look like when they get to the college level course. And they do have a participation grade and classwork grades. So as you've clearly navigated your way to our Google site, everything is housed here. If students miss any lessons, I record everything, and there's videos posted. So all the resources that the students need are right on that first stream. If you just scroll down, it's literally every day that we have class. There's a video posted that covers the material that we went over in class. So I just want to say thank you. I know that even just getting on here and watching these videos shows that you are involved still, even though your student is older now. And please keep in touch with me if there's anything that you need. I would love to help you support your student in the best way possible. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great night.